Alright, I checked this microwave oven capacitor to see if it was shorted to the frame. It is not. Now, I'm going to give it the Redneck test. I'm going to fire it up for a split second. And then I'll rub it against it and see if it discharges. Try it one more time, JW. Over here, JW. Look here, JW. Alright, I am powering up the capacitor. Nada. Got a bad capacitor. If it was good, it would pop. Nothing, honey. So, the moral of the story is, take another breath. Like damn sure you got a good breath. Uh-oh, wait a minute, hold up. Got it. So, I'm going to go find a capacitor that I know I've got a microwave capacitor in there. I'm going to plug her in and blow her up. .95 microfarads at 2200 volts AC. Ooh, that'll bite you, pawpaw. Yeah, I think this sucker's dead. Can't get it to speak. Might as well go ahead and buy one of these. They ain't but $8. If you're going to change that out and all that trouble tearing that thing out, might as well put another one on there and be dead with it. Later, guys.